Peter from First Maths. Today we are looking at Year 4, Block 3, Assessment Paper 1. The answers will be at the end of the quiz. Let's look at question 1. Question 1. Write the missing number in the empty box. Pause the video to complete the questions. When you have completed the questions, you can continue. Here comes question 2. Question 2. Fill in the missing sign smaller than, bigger than, or equals for each of these statements. Pause the video until you are ready for question 3. Here comes question 3. Question 3. Which of these is the best approximation for 897 plus 406? Put a ring around the one you choose. Pause the video until you are ready for question 4. Here comes question 4. I have a choice of a drink for 69p, pizza for £5.89, hamburger for £1.49 and a hot dog for £1.32. What is the cost of the pizza and the drink? What is the difference in price between the pizza and the hot dog? Pause the video and work out the answers. When you're ready, start playing the video again. Here comes question 5. Question 5. 188 plus 245 equals what? B. 287 plus 534 equals what? And C. 474 plus 248 plus 157 equals what? Pause the video until you are ready for question 6. Here comes question 6. Question 6. Calculate A. 357. Take away 125. B. 465. Take away 178. Pause the video until you are ready for question 7. Here comes question 7. Write the missing numbers going in and coming out of the number machine. In times 6, out. For example, the in times 6 and it comes out. So if I put a number 3 in, what will come out? Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes question 8. Question 8. Pennies collected from the funfair machines were counted and put into bags each day. How many pennies were in each bag? On Monday, I had £23. Tuesday, £17. Wednesday, £26. Thursday, £31. Friday, £57. Saturday, £79. And Sunday, £116. Pause the video until you are ready for question 9. Question 9a. How much water is in the jug? Pause the video until you are ready to look at the next question. Here comes the next question. A bottle of medicine holds 100 milliliters. Tom must take 5 milliliters twice a day. How long will the bottle last? Pause the video until you are ready to answer the question. Here comes the next question. Are you ready? Question 10. If you could only use these numbers and symbols, how could you make the numbers 32? You may use them as often as you wish. 4, 9, minus times and equals. Pause the video until you are ready for question 11. Here comes question 11. Write these temperatures in order from the coldest to the hottest. 17 minus 12 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade, 37 degrees centigrade, 12 degrees centigrade, and 23 degrees centigrade. Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes question 12. Question 12. Write the temperatures shown by the arrows. By how many degrees did the temperature rise? Pause the video until you are ready for question 13. Here comes question 13. Continue the sequence in both directions. 10, 7, 4. What are my 6 missing numbers? Work it out. Pause the video until you are ready for question 14. Here comes question 14. 14a. Write the coordinates of each of these points. A, it is here, B, it is here, and C, which is here. Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. B. Draw cross point at point 2, 0. Where would I put the D? Here comes my next question. Pause the video until you're ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. C. If you travel northeast in a straight line from D, which is at 2, 0, do you arrive at point A, B, or C? Yes or no? Here comes the next question, or maybe it's the answer. D. To return to point D, 2.0, what direction would you travel? Pause the video until you answer the questions. Here are the answers. Question 1. 16 plus 9 equals 25. 94 plus 16 equals 110. 89 plus 21 equals 110. 32 take away 3 equals 29. 37 take away 12 equals 25. 79 minus 19 equals 60. Question 2. 24 plus 4 is bigger than 12 times 2. B. 6 times 6 equals 3 times 12. 2C. 20 minus 7 is bigger than 20 shared by 10. D. 30 divided by 3 is smaller than 21. Take away 10. 3. 900 plus 400. 4. A is £6.58 and B is £4.57. 5. 433. B is 821 and C is 879. 6. A is 232, B is 287. 7. 3A. 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times 6 is 12. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 30 divided by 5 is 30 divided by 6 is 5. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 33 times 100 is 2,300. 17 times 100 is 1,700. 26 times 100 is 2,600. 31 times 100 is 3,100. 57 times 100 is 5,700. 79 times 100 is 7,900. 116 times 100 is 11,600. C. 9. A. 550 milliliters and B is 10 days. 10 is various possible answers, so you'd have to check with your teacher or your colleagues. This is the order of the temperature. Number 11. 37 degrees, 23 degrees, 17 degrees, 12 degrees, minus 2 degrees, minus 12 degrees. 12. A, 7 and minus 2. B is 9 degrees centigrade. 13. Went 19, 16, 13, and then 10, 7, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and it's going down in 3. 14. A is 6.0, B is 4.3, and C is 0.3. 14B is 2.0, 14C is B, 14D is southwest. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a like below, because I always love seeing how much people like my work. Also, please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. This might be a new maths lesson, a new maths quiz, or some other fun maths activity I have found. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.